The Angiopoietin Thai pathway is a key regulator of vascular development and homeostasis, leakage and neovascularization, and inflammation. The key components of the pathway include the receptors of Tie1 and Tie2 and the ligands of Ang1 and Ang2. Ang1 binds to the Tie2 receptor in endothelial cells and promotes vascular stability through the porosurvival pathway. Ang2, on the other hand, is normally expressed at low levels but upregulated under hypoxic or hyperglycemic conditions. Binding of the Ang2 to Tie2 negatively regulates the Ang1-Tie2 signaling axis, promoting inflammation and sensitizing vessels to VEGF-A, causing vascular leakage and neovascularization. The Ang-Tie pathway is modulated by various factors, including the presence of Tie1, VEPTP, and changes in the Ang2 and Ang1 ratio. In healthy vessels, Ang1 is constitutively expressed at higher levels than Ang2. Ang1 signaling through the Tie2 favors pericyte recruitment, improves endothelial cell barrier function, and maintains an anti-inflammatory homeostatic state. Ang1 therefore acts as a molecular brake that prevents vascular leakage, neovascularization, and inflammation and maintains vascular stability. Under pathological conditions like neovascular AMD and diabetic macular edema, Ang2 and VEGF-A are upregulated and a so-called angiogenic switch occurs. Ang2 competitively binds to the Tie2 receptor and induces further overexpression of vascular endothelial growth factors and Ang2, releasing the molecular brake. This results in vascular destabilization through pericyte loss, increases in pro-angiogenic and inflammatory cytokines, cytokine-induced leukocytic infiltration, and weakening of endothelial cell junctions. Elevated Ang2 levels activate endothelial cells and increase sensitivity to VEGF-A, which leads to excessive permeability and neovascularization. The activation of Tie2 through the Ang1-Tie2 signaling pathway works as a molecular brake against inflammation and promotes vascular stability in healthy vessels. In pathological states, such as neovascularization or diabetic macular edema, Ang2 upregulation releases the brake and by displacing Ang1 and sensitizes blood vessels to VEGF-A, leading to vascular destabilization characterized by vascular leakage, neovascularization, and inflammation. Therefore, in addition to targeting VEGF-A, Ang2 can be additional therapeutic targets for the treatment of retinal vascular diseases.